on everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm John with Wipeout P.D.R. and once again we are back here in the garage with another vehicle to work on today. This is one of my used car dealership lots. They just picked this car up from the auction and there's a little damage on it that we need to take care of for them. So I'll show you what we have. It's a 2016 Porsche Cayenne. And as you can see in this driver's door here, there's a pretty good crease. It kind of goes right up to where it's doubled up here. So they want this cleaned up. What we're gonna do, we popped a little hole right in this area here, just a tiny half-inch hole, just to get good access on it. We're probably gonna start with some glue pulling, maybe get in that deep spot, try to pull out some of the deepness. There is a fiberglass mat in there, so that's gonna be a little tough. I think I can break loose a lot of the fiberglass away from the panel with maybe a whale tail kind of scraping that loose. But we'll start with glue pulling, get close to that edge, try to lift that up some, and then get in there with, you know, regular tools, regular rods, and see if we can clean this thing up. So we'll take you along with this as we normally do through the process and see how this thing turns out. Let's do it. Okay, we're moving along on this one. It's coming out nice. As you saw in the video, I started with the glue, and the glue really didn't do too much for me. It just kind of pulled up the whole area. It didn't get in that crease. Glue's great and all, but sometimes you have to do a lot of work with the glue. So I just figured it would be better just to get in there with a metal tip tool and just start working it. We heated it up with the heat gun and just started working out that deep spot. I'll show you the results so far. Still a lot of work to do, but as you can see, a lot of the deepness is out. And you can see how the glue kind of pulled up that whole area, but left that center in there. So it's kind of, you know, a waste of time doing the glue like that for something like this. I'd rather just get in there with a metal tip tool and just start working it. Glue's great for, you know, bigger, shallow dents and things like that, just to pull out that deepness and get working. But yeah, we're moving along on it. It's a lot of fine tuning now, so we'll keep going on it. Just keep heating it up, tapping down the high spots, getting in those little low spots, fine tuning it, and get this car done. Let's do it. finished up. It came out really, really nice. I think the customer is going to be happy with it. Like I said, it's a used vehicle. It's going out on the lot. They just wanted it looking nicer so they can get it out on the lot, and the customer that purchases it will be happy as well. It wasn't too bad. It was a little difficult with the fiberglass mat, but like I said, that only went over half the dent. We were able to push that away and work it that way. And where it got close to the edge, that's difficult, where it's doubled up. But it's really tough to get, you know, tools in there, and you're kind of just like trying to blend that away. I'll show you the results. It came out really nice though. You can see the deepness is gone, back to the way it should look. Even that edge, it's not perfect, but it looks really good. And you can see there's a little scratch in there. I tried polishing that out the best I could. It still has to go through detail. You can see the auction tags are still on it, and it's pretty filthy, but so it's still going to go through detail, and I'm sure they'll clean it up and make it look even better, get it out on the lot and get it sold. So hopefully you guys liked the video. We're going to do more videos. I know it's been a while since I posted one. We actually have the Mobile Tech Expo coming up in February, so we're going to head out there. I'll do some videos there. If you were never there, you should check it out. It's pretty cool. They have all different tools, the newest tools out there. The Dent Olympics is there. You get to meet some other dent guys and stuff too. So if you're there, come say hi. If you were never there, check it out. Mobile Tech Expo. It's in, where is it at? Orlando, Florida. So that's coming up in February. But we'll see you there. We're going to move on to the next one, and we'll catch you next time.